everyone, happy Friday! I'm so excited to be back with you and sharing brand new fabrics this week. I hope y'all are enjoying our t-shirt sale. It has been really fun to see all of the beautiful shirts and all of the lovely fabrics in the group. I absolutely love seeing what everyone is sharing on top of that as well, which is so wonderful. So say hi, tell me what's on your sewing table, tell me what your weekend plans are. I'm super excited to be here with you this Friday. So why don't I just dive right into our new fabrics? What do you think? We have some beautiful new fabrics. I have 7 for you today. Don't forget that every comment that you put on will enter you to win today's beautiful fabrics. I have seven 1-yard cuts, so that's a win. And this week we have a brand new sweater knit for you. Who's ready for fall sewing? I know I am. And we are going to start off with this gorgeous pistachio sweater knit. So this might read a little bit gray on camera because greens are so hard to photograph. They're really hard on cameras to get the right color. But this is a nice soft green. Please do be sure to check the pictures on the website because we do our best to color correct there, where I cannot do that live. So this is a rayon polyester nylon blend. So it's got that really luxurious softness from the rayon, and then the stretchiness and the recovery of having nylon in there, and then it's pretty wrinkle resistant as well from that polyester. So it's really the best of all worlds there. It is 160 GSM, so it's a little bit lighter weight, perfect for fall and spring and for layering more in the winter, and it is so soft. It also, as you probably noticed, has 100% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. So it's super versatile with that stretch recovery. Just absolutely beautiful. It drapes gorgeously. Let me show you the drape. It drapes just so beautifully. And I fully wish you all could feel how soft this is. It's so soft and lovely to touch. I absolutely love it. So this is our pistachio sweater knit, just the first of 7 today. And then we have, I love those tiny little hearts that we have. Well, we have them in a new color this week. We have them in Bumblebee. So this is our double brush poly Bumblebee hearts. I love this color. This is not quite our mustard. It's also not quite our marigold. So it gets a brand new name, Bumblebee. But it is a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM, just like most of our double brush polys are. It has 80% horizontal stretch and just 10% vertical stretch. It's pretty stable vertically. And I think the best part about this is that it matches both white and ivory. So whichever coordinate you prefer is going to look beautiful with it. As always, our coordinates are our solid double brush polys. And if you ever want to see fabrics with anything else, just ask and we'll do our best to get you pictures. So this is our double brush poly Bumblebee hearts. Such a beautiful yellow, perfect fall color. So fun. I love it so much. And then next up, I have another sweater knit for you. I am a little bit obsessed with these sweater knits. It's still quite warm here, although I have transitioned from shorts to pants, but it's still quite warm here in Atlanta. But I just want to sew all of the sweaters. I am ready for fall sewing. I'm excited about it. So this one is our Mocha sweater knit. This is the same rayon poly nylon blend as the pistachio, and this color is coming through beautifully. It's a lovely taupey brown, very neutral, so beautiful. I love it's not quite heathered, but this color combination is just so beautiful. And this is a very similar color to our Mocha double brush poly, although it is not exactly the same. It is also 160 GSM and 100% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. So nice and stretchy, great recovery, and it just feels so good. I just love it so much. It's so soft and it's so beautiful. I just love it. So that is our Mocha sweater knit. I'm plowing through these so fast, so fast. Okay, so I have another double brush poly for you. I think actually my whole stack is either sweater knits or double brush polys today. So we've got some good fabrics for the fall. So we have this, I can't pick it up, this beautiful toasted camo double brush poly right here. I love the warmth of this. It's beautiful, rich colors. I just love it. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's also 170 GSM. It's got 80% horizontal stretch and 30% vertical stretch. We don't have any coordinates that specifically match these colors that are in here, but if you want to see anything that might coordinate, that might complement nicely, that isn't a direct match, please let us know. We're happy to show off any color matches that we can match for you. It's also, this is one of our softest double brush polys. I'm completely in love with it. I think I need some joggers for fall lounging out of this one. So this is our toasted camo. Hi Julie, thanks for joining us today. I have another sweater knit for you. Okay, so this is the last of the sweater knits I'm going to show you today, but it might be my favorite of the colors. Hi Becky. It might be my favorite of the colors that I've got today. That green, the pistachio is maybe a contender, but this purple passion sweater knit is so lovely. It's such a beautiful color. It's so soft and just a lovely color. It's vibrant without being too vibrant. I'm going to hold it nice and close so you can really see it. This is purple passion sweater knit. It's as soft as the other two. It is also that rayon poly nylon mix, also 160 GSM, and no surprise, also 100% horizontal and 40% vertical stretch. So super stretchy, super versatile, and so soft. It's so soft. I wish you could feel it. It's so amazing. Oh, I hope you're staying safe with Ian. We're expecting to just get the tail end, some rain and some wind up here, but it's really pounding everyone south of us, which is not great. Next up, on the happy note, I have another double brush palette for you. This is soft purple daisy chain. I will get it on camera in a minute. This is a beautiful soft purple. It's absolutely lovely, with vibrant flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And it's also really soft. You know, I love that soft fabric. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM. It also has 100% horizontal stretch and 30% vertical stretch. And then I have one coordinate for you. This doesn't exactly match any of our purples, but it does match our ivory. So the ivory is going to be the coordinate that we offer for that. If you have that in your stash already, you're golden. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's such a simple fabric, but in such lovely colors for the fall. I'm just super happy with it. It's so beautiful. So this is soft purple daisy chain in double brush poly. I've already made it to my last fabric. This is going far too fast. I'm sad to be leaving, y'all, but I am excited about my last fabric, so I won't delay it any longer. So this is also, I've got one more double brush poly for you. This is soft leopard double brush poly. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's kind of a silvery gray. It doesn't quite match our light gray, so it's more of a silvery gray without being a true metallic. I'm going to kind of slide it back and forth so you can get as much color accuracy as you can. But it's so soft. So it's a poly spandex blend, 170 GSM, 60% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch. I only have one coordinate for this because, again, that our light gray doesn't perfectly match, but the white sure does. It looks beautiful together. But I think any of our solid colors would look stunning with this. Pick your favorite color and it's going to look gorgeous. This is basically a neutral, is what I'm saying. So this is soft leopard double brush poly. Absolutely beautiful. So I have a winner of last week's fabric from our t-shirt sale live. So Trisha Techmeyer, I hope I'm saying your name correctly, but Trisha, you're our winner, so go ahead and email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com to claim your prize. That will be the 6 fabrics I showed just last week on the t-shirt sale. And then, speaking of that t-shirt sale, we were just so excited about it, and we're really appreciating how much you guys are liking it, so we decided to extend it through Sunday, October 2nd, and increase it to 45% off. So it's the same code, perfect T, perfect, and then just the letter T right at the end, but it'll get you 45% off right now all the way through Sunday night, and it will get you that 45% off these new double brush polys as well. Those will be included in the sale, so you can grab all of these beautiful new double brush polys also on sale, and maybe check out these new sweater knits while you're on the website. So grab those fabrics while this sale is still ongoing. We've extended it just because we love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see what all of you make with it. This is one of my t-shirts. I mean, this is the Babe hoodie, and I just love the hoodie in modal. It's so comfortable and so easy to wear, and it doesn't pull on my neck, which is one of the things I hate the most about hoodies. So check out all 6 of those types of fabric. Get 45% off through Sunday night with the code PERFECTT. And thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to comment on the video all week, and we will send someone these beautiful 7 fabrics. Have fun shopping, and I will see you guys next time.